Hey folks, Wednesday morning, it's the midpoint of a holiday shortened week. Markets in the pre are trading higher after the beatdown they saw yesterday. S&P, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, all down greater than 1%. Really on news, again, coming out of Russia, Ukraine. President Biden spoke yesterday. He gave a presser about some of the new sanctions that the U.S. is putting on Russia in line with some of the sanctions that we're seeing come out of the rest of Europe. That got markets really bouncing around. Finished the day lower. S&P 500 is now 10% lower, so officially in correction territory as of the close yesterday from the most recent high. So closed yesterday, correction territory. We're seeing a bit of a bounce this morning. So when you look at the markets heading into the open, Dow Jones up 200 plus, S&P's up 35, and Nasdaq up over 150. That's about a 1% move in the Nadex. So seeing those tech stocks really pick up some momentum this morning. FX, really quiet. Dollar's relatively flat at the moment. We're seeing the same in crude oil. Crude oil trading right at $92 a barrel. That's flat, down from those highs we saw yesterday where we peaked out above 94. The VIX yesterday broke above 30. We're down back at 27 this morning. So we're seeing a little bit of quietness. Again, Ukraine, Russia is driving the conversation right now in tandem with inflation and what the Fed's going to do in March with raising rates. Talks about if Ukraine, Russia, this starts to materialize and things really start to pick up and tensions run hot, that could slow the economy down, which could potentially lean on the Fed's decision in March. And maybe it's not as likely that they raise rates 50 basis points, which a lot of people are expecting. Maybe they only raise 25 basis points. So a lot of uncertainty right now, a lot of conversations going on. All right, folks, let's get back after today. Everybody have a great day. Trade some price action. I'll see you again tomorrow morning.